So for this body exfoliator or body cloth, I'm gonna use two colors from Sugar and Cream cotton yarn, the green and the purple color. So we're gonna start and see how to achieve this simple and easy tutorial. So I have chain 18 here, and I'll start working my first row where I'll make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Excuse me. I'll make one single crochet in every chain till the end. First row completed. Now on to the next row. I'll chain one and I will turn my work. One single crochet in the first stitch from the chain one and one single crochet in every stitch. I will continue doing the same for every row until I reach row 30. So for this first piece I will only use the green color, and then for my second piece I will use the purple color. So it's two-sided, one is purple, one is green. So we'll meet after I finish both my pieces, and then I'll show you how to join them together to make the body cloth. So here I have completed my 30 rows in the green color, and the same I did in the purple color. And after finishing my work, I have left one long thread to sew the two pieces together, and in a while you will see how to do that. Okay, so using a sewing needle to sew the two ends, so I'll put both of my pieces on top of each other, like so, making sure the thread is on the top side, because I'll start sewing this way and then going along until I reach this side, making sure this is open later on. So I will join my yarn thread. So making sure the stitches are facing together, so the stitching is well aligned. Okay, and I'll start with the first top stitch. I'll insert, okay, so I'll start with my first top stitch, this one, and then I'll insert my needle into both loops and join together. You have the choice whether to use a sewing needle or you can use your crochet hook to join both all ends together. This is the easiest technique for me. This is how it is back side. Now we will turn, see how it looks from the front. Now we can shower with a little more fun. Okay. Okay. And this is my washcloth, ready to be used. I hope you like this simple tutorial and you try it on your own. It's very easy. Like we said, it's only a single crochet stitch. We chain 18 as a reminder, and then we made 30 rows of single crochet and we made 2 pieces. I chose different colors. I chose those colors because I love the green and the purple together, and then we used a sewing needle to attach everything together, and this is the end results. Let me know what you think. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.